How much water can a solar pump produce? Solar pumps are changing lives across Uganda, but how much water can they really pump? The truth is, it depends. Here's what affects a solar pump's capacity. Size of the solar panels. Bigger panels =, more power to pump more water. Pumping height, head. The higher you need to pump the water, the less water will be pumped per hour. Hours of sunshine. More sunshine =, more pumping power. While specific pump models vary, here's a general idea. Small-scale pumps. Ideal for domestic use, gardens, washing. They can pump around 1,000–2,000 liters per hour. Medium-scale pumps. Great for small farms. They can pump around 3,000–5,000 liters per hour. Large-scale pumps. Perfect for bigger farms. They can pump over 5,000 liters per hour. Ready to harness the power of the sun for your water needs? Talk to our solar expert at +256 392 001 947 today. We can help you choose the right pump for your specific requirements.